Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check diamonds on the Heyday application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, you can check my farm. But if you want to another buildings, you can add to your farm. If you want to check diamonds on the store, click to the upper right corner of the screen, the coins icon, and you can check different diamond offers. For example, pile of diamonds, bag, trunk, or box, and you can buy it for real money, with real money. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.